In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change agent roles in Freshdesk. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to look for, and how to confidently update roles and ticket access for your team. First, start in your Freshdesk account and head to Settings. You'll find this by clicking the admin icon, which looks like a small gear on the left sidebar. This takes you to the main administrative area where you control team permissions and access. Next, under the Team section, select Agents. This page lists everyone who has access to your help desk. If you have a large team, you can use the search or filters to quickly locate the person you want to modify. When you find the right agent, click the Edit button next to their name. This opens their profile where you can manage permissions. Scroll down to the Roles section. This is where you define what the agent can do across Freshdesk. You can select a new role from the default options like Agent, Supervisor, or Administrator, or choose from any custom roles your organization has created. Custom roles are great if you've already tailored permissions for specific responsibilities in your workflow. If your setup allows it, you can assign multiple roles to a single agent. When you do, the agent typically inherits the most permissive rights from the roles you select, so be intentional about what you combine. While you're editing, take a moment to review ticket scope. This setting controls which tickets the agent can see and work on. Choose Global if the agent needs visibility across all tickets in your help desk. Select Group if they should only see tickets assigned to specific groups they belong to. Use Restricted for the most limited access. Ideal when an agent should only view tickets assigned directly to them or to a very narrow set of groups. Aligning ticket scope with role responsibility helps maintain data privacy and reduces clutter in the agent's view. When everything looks right, scroll to the bottom and click Update Agent or Save. Your changes apply immediately, so the agent's permissions and ticket access will reflect the new configuration right away. A quick recap. Go to the admin gear, open agents under the team section, edit the specific agent, adjust their role or roles in the roles section, optionally refine their ticket scope, and then save. That's all it takes to keep your Freshdesk permissions clean, consistent, and aligned with your team's responsibilities.